Welcome to this tutorial on Axie Infinity NFT Rarity tiers. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie is a unique non-fungible token, or NFT, with its own characteristics and attributes. In this guide, we will explain the different rarity tiers of Axies and how they affect gameplay. To start, there are 6 rarity tiers in Axie Infinity: Common, Uncommon, Rare, Epic, Legendary, and Mystic. The rarity tier of an Axie is determined by its genetic makeup, which is represented by a combination of genes and traits. The rarity tier affects an Axie's stats, including its health, speed, and damage output. Common Axies are the most abundant and have the lowest stats, while Legendary and Mystic Axies are the rarest and have the highest stats. Uncommon and Rare Axies fall in between, with increasingly higher stats as the rarity tier increases. Epic Axies are a special case, as they have unique traits and abilities that set them apart from other rarity tiers. When breeding Axies, the rarity tier of the offspring is determined by the combination of genes and traits from the parent Axies. Players can strategically breed Axies to create offspring with desired traits and rarity tiers. However, breeding is a complex process, and the outcome is not always predictable. To give you a better understanding, let's look at a practical example. Suppose you breed a common Axie with an uncommon Axie. The offspring has a chance to inherit the uncommon trait, increasing its rarity tier and stats. However, the outcome depends on the genetic makeup of the parent Axies, so the result may vary. Best practices for managing Axie rarity tiers include understanding the genetic makeup of your Axies, strategically breeding to create desired traits and rarity tiers, and keeping a diverse team of Axies to maximize gameplay options. It's also essential to stay up to date with the latest game developments and updates, as the rarity tier system may change over time. In conclusion, the Axie Infinity NFT rarity tiers play a crucial role in gameplay and strategy. By understanding the different rarity tiers, how they are determined, and how they affect gameplay, players can make informed decisions about breeding, battling, and managing their Axies. With practice and experience, you can master the art of Axie breeding and rarity management, and take your gameplay to the next level.